So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add the glitch effect to text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up, what you have to do is obviously add some text to your design. So for this example right here, I'll just type in the word text. I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to add the glitch effect, it's very straightforward. Press on the text right here. Go to the top right, press on effects. Now under effects, there's this option right here that says glitch. Press on that. Now, if you want to change the offset of the glitch right here, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to change the direction, you can do that as well, whatever the case may be. But more importantly, if you want to change the color, it's super simple as well. You can press on the color wheel right here or the color wheel right here, whatever the case may be. You can kind of change this from purple to red, whatever works best. Once that is done, boom, there you go. You have now applied the glitch effect successfully. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add the glitch effect to text here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.